Life Transformation Through Self-Awareness to Self-Development Part 1. Are you grateful for your life? Holding anger and hurt in your heart? Having anxieties, stress, or depression? Are you taking responsibility of your own life? After all, it starts with you only. Are you accept yourself as it is? You know about your needs? You know how your mind works? When you accept yourself as it is and taking responsibility of your own life, and with the help of gratitude, forgiveness and meditation, you will live your life with peace. Yes, you are hearing right. And I am helping you to transform your life with this beautiful journey of 90 days. If you really want positive change in your current life, then this time to take a charge of your life. You can join our workshop, Life Transformation Through Self-Awareness to Self-Development. Transform your life with our workshop, Life Transformation Through Self-Awareness to Self-Development. It is 90 days journey with 25 sessions for each 2 hours. You will get all information regarding workshop in the description box of the video. Sharing concept and knowledge to incorporate in day-to-day life. Topic to be covered like gratitude, forgiveness, meditation, need, responsibility, acceptance, and so on. Who can do it? Anyone can do it. Who really want peace in life? Homemaker, professional, healer, non-healer. No specific age limit. From 18 plus years, anyone can do it. Who willingly want to do inner work and positive change in his or her life. It's all about self-development. This workshop helps you to do inner work, and with awareness, you can live your life peacefully. Keep this in mind that it is not 1 day or 2 days or only during workshop work. It is a regular work at your end and commitment to yourself to live your life with peace and satisfaction. It is a day-to-day work for lifetime for your highest good only. Now time for take action. To enroll for workshop, WhatsApp to 900-450-7046 and start your self-development journey.